Sometimes the shaft of the motor might not be at rest, it might be rotating. This can be case for some applications. But the VFD starts from the zero frequency. In case shaft is not at rest, overcurrent fault may occur at the startup. So either we can force the shaft to hold its position at startup using DC volt or DC injection. But this might not be possible sometime. So here flying start has a role. In flying start method, the VFD searches and estimates the speed. Once the VFD estimated, then it will directly match its speed to the free running motor shaft. I will show here with a demo. First, to make things real, I selected stopping as free run. Second, we need to enable and define the speed search condition. It can be during acceleration, during power interrupt, or when fault occurs. In my case, I am selecting speed search during acceleration. Now let's start the motor. When it is near to full speed, I have given off command. The shaft is rotating based on its momentum, and look, it estimated and got the right speed to start.